Not sure exactly how to use your BOSCH dishwasher and you're unsure sometimes if it's even on? Well, this video is for you because I'm gonna show you all about how to use and maintain a BOSCH dishwasher. This is the 500 series, so let's go. Before we get started, I just want to introduce myself. My name's Carrie. I'm with Penny Modern, and we are all about affordable home products, affordable home decor here on this channel. So hit subscribe if you want to see more content like that. So first, I'm just going to show you really quick. If you need to just start a load right now and you don't want to watch this whole video, let me just show you right now on how you turn this thing on and get it going the fastest way. So first, you just are going to go and you put the detergent in there, close it, make sure it clicks, and then it's gonna default to auto. So if it's on something else, you can do normal, and this will tell you how long it'll run. It is a pretty long cycle. It's 2 hours and 9 minutes. If you want the 30-minute, it's only 30 minutes. So and then heavy is 215. So it usually defaults to auto, so you can just hit auto, and then you hit start, and then you close it, and it'll light up. So see that light down there? So this light means it's running, and it'll keep running, and the light will stay on. So that's the easy way to tell if it's on. These are really, really quiet dishwashers, and so it's hard to tell. So as long as that light is on and it's not blinking, that means it's on and it's running. First, let me show you the control panel. It's right here. So it's right on top, and you can see it's a BOSCH. You got the on-off button. And then you also have, these are the different type of cycles. There's heavy, auto, normal, 30-minute clean, and a rinse. I always use auto unless I have not a lot of time, then I'll use the 30-minute rinse or 30-minute clean. And then we also have the different options for some of the drying. You can delay, you can just do a half load so it uses less water. There's delicate sanitize. This is really good if you need to sanitize like baby bottles and stuff like that. And then we have extra dry, which gets it obviously extra dry, adds more heat. It's a longer heat cycle. And then the start button. So next I'm just gonna show you a little bit about the Rins A and a couple of the other features. So the Rins A goes right here, and you open it, and then you would just add the Rins A here. If it overflows a little bit, it's fine. And then close it, and you make sure it clicks. And it'll actually tell you up here, if it ever does need Rins Aid, there'll be a little light right here that'll show add Rins Aid. So that's how you know when you need more. So some of the features are you can actually move some of these tines here back and forth and lay them down. You can put these down and put your wine glasses here. I like to make sure that the cups, the mugs are at an angle so it doesn't have the water pooling on them. And then I usually put all my glassware up here. It has this really cool drawer up here, which you can put your silverware in. So you can put a lot of silverware in here. I usually use it for my flippers and things like that to wash them. And this actually can come out. So if you don't want this in here and you need to you have like taller glasses, then you'd have more room, up here, you'd have more headspace for this. And this is actually adjustable as well. You can push this in and move this basket up or down. You just have to make sure that you have enough room for these guys to be able to twirl around. And then the other thing is this actually goes, you can move these. So if you have bigger items, so that's a nice feature. And then the basket is removable. And then you can kind of put little things in the basket here. So those are just a few of the features. So you can see here the wine glasses are a little too tall and they don't fit. And so I'm going to show you how to adjust down the basket. It's pretty easy. There's a little lever on the side that you push in, and then you can adjust the basket down, and that'll give you enough headspace to be able to put the drawer in with your wine glasses. So some of the features that I really like about the BOSCH 500 series are the fact that it's really quiet. It's only 44 decibels, and BOSCH is actually rated one of the quietest dishwashers in the United States. And that's actually why I made the video, because some people don't even know when it's on. The real way you know is that light that I showed you guys at the bottom. Another feature that's really cool is actually they have this PrecisionWash, which the auto feature, it actually can sense through the drain water how clean the water is. So it actually can help kind of like determine how much water to use and everything for the dishes by itself, which is an awesome feature. The other thing I really like is that there is some leak protection. So they have a sensor system and a way to make sure that if something does get clogged and the water starts building up, instead of like flooding your kitchen, there is a leak guard protector built into the BOSCH. So that's awesome too. The other thing I really like is the display. So it has this display in which it tells you when it needs the rinse aid. It also tells you like how long the wash is gonna take. So if like you don't have 2 hours to wait, you can always choose to do the 30-minute wash, which I've definitely done sometimes when I'm in a hurry. So the display is really nice. And then if there is some kind of error or issue, it also will have it on there. And then you can just kind of Google what's going on. And I also like how it has a delay feature. So this delay button, you can delay it to wash in an hour or 2 hours. So whenever I'm in California, so a lot of times in the summer, you need to be doing your appliances like after 9 p.m. So you can set it to delay and it'll delay until 9 p.m. or 2 hours or 3 hours or whatever, or even 24 hours. So that's a nice feature too. So in terms of cleaning, there's really not too much to do. You know, if you see debris or whatever food in the bottom, you pick it up. There's a drain here that you can remove and clean, and you're supposed to do that a few times a year, depending on how much you use it. So you would twist this and pull it up, and then there's a drain, like a strainer kind of a thing down there, so you could remove any food particles from that. But other than that, it's really easy to maintain. I think if you had really hard water, you probably would need to do maybe a little bit more, but right where we are, we haven't had to clean it, and this is over 5 years old, so. Well, that about wraps things up. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, and then also subscribe if you want to get more tips and information on DIY home decor and affordable home products. And I'll see you on the next one.